Why does she grin when she receives compliments? Others simply collapse. But we're delving into the art of, we're not just talking about telling her she's attractive, we're getting into compliments that really connect with her. It's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, stay tuned. You're my favorite person. The first compliment is to spend time with her. When it comes to compliments, sometimes the easiest ones are the hardest to give. For instance, "You're my favorite person to spend time with" is a simple yet powerful statement that lets her know that she's the person you enjoy spending the most time with out of everyone in your life. This compliment is particularly useful in long-term relationships because you know how things can become a little too routine or comfortable. The secret to a great compliment is to make it real, personalized, and about more than simply appearances. Dropping this line is like an adrenaline rush, reminding you both of the spark that remains. Go ahead and be generous with your words. Chances are she will return the favor when you tell her she's your favorite person to hang out with. It makes her feel better about herself and improves your relationship. I have the second compliment. Learned a lot from your conversation with her. Tell her that you've learned something from her. It's not just about showing off your own knowledge or street smarts. It's about acknowledging hers as well. Now, don't just throw this compliment around like confetti. Make it genuine and specific. If she's interested in politics and you've had some eye-opening conversations, tell her that she's broadened your perspective. If she's a music lover and has introduced you to some amazing songs, let her know you appreciate her taste. The important thing is to show her that you value her opinions and that you're not just there to teach, but also to learn from her. As always, you look fantastic. However, if you're not close to a woman, it can be difficult to navigate the waters of complimenting her appearance. You don't want to give the impression that she only looks good with makeup, but you also don't want to imply that she's going overboard when she chooses to glam up. So, what's the solution? Keep it basic and timeless with a statement like, "You look amazing as always." This praise is your go-to tool for any scenario, regardless of how dressed up or down she is. This sentence demonstrates your admiration for her regardless of the situation. It's a safe and efficient method to boost her self-esteem without unintentionally setting off a landmine. And the A's always portion quietly conveys your constant admiration for her, which is always a plus. Fourth compliment. That was a clever joke. You have a good sense of humor. You may believe that you must be the life of the party and the hilarious man, but here's the thing. Women enjoy humor as well, and they want to know that you find them amusing. Trust me, if you're constantly trying to outdo her, she'll feel more like she's competing with a stand-up comic than dating one. So, how do you let her know you find her funny? When you're together, just laugh at her jokes. I mean, real laugh, not the false laugh we all do sometimes. And if she texts you anything amusing, reply with that cry laugh emoji, which is like to a digital round of applause for her humorous prowess, not only demonstrates your interest in her, but also fosters a more laid-back, genuine vibe between you two. After all, who doesn't desire a relationship in which they can both laugh together? Compliment number 5. You're not like anyone I've ever met before. Don't confuse this with the cringeworthy "you're not like other girls." Instead, we're talking about recognizing her unique qualities that make her stand out in your eyes. When you say this, you're telling her that you value her for who she truly is, not just the polished version of herself she might present on a first date. It's a nod to those less conventional traits that she might be self-conscious about, but that you find utterly endearing. So, the next time you're struck by how she's different from anyone else you've known, don't keep it to yourself. Let her know that it will make her feel seen and appreciated in a way that few other compliments can. 6. You're really good. Compliment number 6. You're very good at what you do. This compliment will brighten her day because it recognizes her passion, her craft, and what makes her happy. For example, if she's an artist, musician, or perhaps she's succeeding in her own business, congratulate her on that. It shows her that you're paying attention to what matters most to her. If she's stuck in a 9-to-5 job that she despises, skip the work talk and concentrate on what she enjoys doing outside of that smile. It demonstrates your interest in her life and gives her a sense of respect for her abilities and interests. After all, who wouldn't want to hear that they're skilled at what they love doing? I sense compliment number 7. I feel so much better when I'm with you. This is a powerful way to say that she elevates you and brings out qualities in you that you might not even be aware were there. It's a compliment to her character, her influence, and the positive impact she has on you. If you find yourself feeling more confident, caring, or just plain happier when she's around, don't keep it a secret. Tell her that it's the kind of compliment that not only makes her feel good, but also strengthens your emotional bond. Compliment number 8. You have such amazing hair, lips, or eyes. You've probably told a woman she's beautiful, and that's great. But let's take it a step further and be specific about what you find attractive about her. Trust me, the devil's in the details, and she'll notice that you're actually paying attention. For example, if she has captivating eyes, tell her that they're captivating, or if her lips are something you can't help but look at, let her know that they're amazing. Hey, don't undervalue the power of complimenting her skin, hair, or nails. Many women put a lot of effort into those areas, and acknowledging it goes a long way. However, a quick tip: don't say anything that will make her uncomfortable. Being particular demonstrates your interest in her, and not just any woman. 9. Your work ethic is admirable. The 9th compliment is one that is frequently disregarded but has a huge impact. I admire your work ethic. This isn't just empty flattery. Rather, it's a sincere recognition of her commitment and drive, particularly in her career or any other area she is passionate about. By saying this, you are letting her know that you recognize and value her efforts, abilities, and talents. If you see her working hard, completing projects, or just generally killing it in her field, don't hold back from telling her that you admire her work ethic. It will make her feel validated and show her that you're interested in more than just her appearance. This type of compliment goes beyond superficial attraction. It's about recognizing her as a complete person who has goals and is working hard to achieve them. Let's face it, who doesn't want to be valued for their accomplishments? 10. What are your thoughts? Compliment number 10. Sometimes the best compliment isn't even a statement, it's a question specifically. What do you think? Now you might be wondering how a question can be a compliment. Well, when you ask for her opinion on something she knows a lot about, you're essentially saying, I value your expertise and judgment, whether it's about her field of work, a hobby she's passionate about, or even a subject you know she loves to discuss. Asking her opinion makes her feel respected and valued. It's like saying, I admire your intelligence, and I think you could offer some real insight here. So the next time you're faced with a decision, or just curious about something she's good at, don't hesitate to ask her what she thinks. It's a subtle but powerful way to show you care about her thoughts, and that's a compliment any woman would appreciate. All right, there you have it. Some killer compliments that go beyond the usual. You'll be beautiful and really make an impact. Remember, the key to a great compliment is to make it genuine, specific, and about more than just looks. Show her you're paying attention to who she is, not just what she looks like. It'll set you apart from the rest. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on dating. Until next time. Oh, continue to win the game of love.